guys, who do we have here today? Guys, those are some crazy harnesses that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
Golfing.
Golfing! He's here for the golf tournament.
Harnessless jump.
Is this all of your first skydive?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Nervous?
No.
Oh, just me, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna go get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, do 120 miles an hour at the ground. Before we do you have any famous last words or final confessions?
I peed in his shoes when I was little.
Yeah, that's a great final confession. I haven't heard that one yet. Anything back?
I'm sure you will find out.
Yeah. Oh dang, somebody's in trouble. It's a good thing that you don't need those last words. We are coming back, guys. Let's go have some fun out there. Here we go, guys. We found an airplane. Y'all ready to get in, get up, get out, and rock a skydive? That's crazy. High five. High five. High five. Woo.
Jumped out of an airplane.
Yeah, I did.
How you feeling?
Fun.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
The free fall.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. Would you do it again?
I would, yeah.
Thanks for jumping with us, man.
Of course, thanks.
Woo.